How to fix Instagram following problem. Can't follow people on Instagram. Easy solutions. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram following problem when you can't follow anyone or your follows don't get saved. Let's solve it step by step. This issue can happen due to 1. Instagram's action limits, too many follows in a short time. 2. Temporary account restrictions or shadow ban. 3. Outdated app version or cache issues. 4. Poor internet connection. 5. Server issues from Instagram. Instagram limits how many people you can follow per day, usually around 200 for new accounts. If you're blocked from following, wait 24 hours before trying again. Check for restrictions in Settings, Account Status. Next, clear your app cache to fix any glitches. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete the Instagram app and reinstall it from the App Store. Ensure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Open the Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram. Tap Update if available. If Instagram servers are down, you may face problems following accounts. Visit downdetector.com and search for Instagram. If many users report issues, wait until Instagram resolves it. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try these quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Restart your router. Instagram may block your actions if third-party apps are detected. Go to Settings, Security, Apps, and Websites. Revoke access to any suspicious apps. If the problem continues, report it to Instagram. Go to Settings, Help, Report a problem, something isn't working. Describe your issue and submit. I hope this video helped you fix your Instagram following issue. If it did, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech solutions. See you in the next video.